Hi everyone, Melissa here. Come on today with a few Christmas cards and a few thank yous. All right, let's jump right in. So this one here is from Stace, and I'll have everyone's channels linked down below so that you can go over, visit, and subscribe. All right, so she sent me this cute little card. Says thank you so much. I entered into one of her challenges, and she was just thanking me for joining her VIP birthday celebration. And she made this beautiful card along with some of her swag embellishments. And so let me show you those. I happened to see UCY I'm a Diva do her little swag bags that she sent, and I thought they were so cute. So I will probably do the same with her additional ones that she sent. And of course, I've already peeked. So anyways, this is her swag bag for the inspiration that she gave. And then she sent a few extras here. So I have those. And I'm so happy to have those. So I'm going to deck those out. And then from Sharing More, she also sent me this Happy Holidays card. And I want to say she probably used one of her machines, either the Cricut or the Silhouette. And love this. It's so, so pretty. Look at that little bow right there. So pretty there. Those gems. Love the paper that she used. And there it goes. May your Christmas be cozy, warm, and bright. Happy holidays, Ebony. Thank you so much, Ebony. And then this one here is from Crafting Cake with Billie. And so she sent me a Christmas card as well. May the holiday season bring only happiness and joy to you and your loved ones. So this is really sweet. Sending holiday hugs your way. Blessings to you, Billie. Thanks so much, Billie. And so, like I said, I'll have all the ladies' links down below. Billie also sent me some page tags and some little stickers that I can use as well. Thanks so much. All right. Then my husband went to the post office box for me, and I have a little package from Lady Cree, and she sent me this beautiful card. I seen this on her, I want to say Instagram channel. So pretty. Oh, would you look at that? And this is layered up. Looks like a couple times, 2-3 times maybe. Look at those gems there. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Check out that poinsettia there. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Oh, and then she sent me a gift card. Thanks so much, Lady Cree. I have a few videos that I need to put up, so I have another one that she also sent me, so you'll see that in another video as well. But oh my goodness, thank you so much. Christ is the reason for the season, and yes, he is. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Look at that. Merry Christmas. Yes, love that. Whose die is that, Lady Cree? You got to tell me. All right, and then one last thing that I also received, and this one is from the Diary of Belle Rose, and she had her favorite things crafty video, and I happened to win her favorite things. So this is the box that it came in. So let me just set it off to a side because it's kind of close up there, and let me take a look at this card. It looks so cute. Oh, it's a shaker. She has a lovely channel. You're going to want to go over and subscribe to her channel as well. I'll leave her link down below. Just such great work over there. So you have to go see. There's no one like you. That's what it says. Let's see. Top folding card. Yes. December 2022. Congrats, Melissa. I hope you enjoy a few of my favorite crafty things. And so that once again is from the Diary of Belle Rose. So make sure you go over and visit her channel as well. Now let's get into what she hadn't purchased. And I have it in my basket. I want to say either at Simon Says Stamp or scrapbook.com, and I hadn't purchased it yet. Oh my goodness. And I have it. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Oh, and I have never purchased these either and wanted to try them. So there goes another thing that I can use. Oh my goodness. So she sent me this stamp pad along with um, the brushes that I can use with that. Oh my goodness. And then here goes scrapbook.com. It's a little bitty stamp set and it says, hello, thanks and thinking of you. Friendly bouquet. So that's really cute. Like that. This will be a good stamp to stamp on the back of your cards. Oh. And then we have some scrappy tape. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Never tried this brand, so this will be my first time trying that. And I got some mint tape. I mean, a lot of these things I have not tried, so I'm so happy to have these. Okay. And I have tried this before. I just finished my other roll that I just had, I want to say today, so I have another one, so I'm happy to have that. And here goes this. Never tried these either, so I have some clear double-sided adhesive sheets. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, and we got some cute pattern paper here. Double-sided. Oh, look at that. That's too cute. And then there goes that last one there. And then she also sent me some scrapbook.com storage envelopes. I am glad to have these. And it looks like there's 5 in there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we have, I just slipped my mind. What are these called? Alphabet stickers. So got those. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The magic mat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then have an inspiration scrapbook and cards book. So this will be fun to look at, get some inspiration out of there. Wow, that was a nice win. Thank you so much, Belrose. I really appreciate it. And don't forget, I'm going to have their links down below, so make sure you go over, visit, and subscribe. Thank you so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.